Today we've just got a package from Jolla, and yes, it has arrived now. We picked it up from the local post office, and yes, we've got the package here. So we have pre-ordered the new Jolla phone, and we have now got a little present from them. It is in a very professional package, very good, almost cardboard, and on the front here we can see a label which had the name and the name of the sender, Jolla. Very nice. And on the back side we can see that it's been sealed very well, good quality, and now we are going to open the package. First we have to check so that we don't cut anything inside. Alright, let's see what we've got here. Seems like a thank you present. There's a note here saying thank you in huge capital letters. The message here is, hi, we are thankful and grateful for the interest you have for us. Your support means a lot to us. We are fighting to create a completely new, unique and amazing product. This t-shirt starts the story, and there are greater things to come yet. We are inviting you to some celebrations during the fall, so keep following your emails. We hope that you will carry this t-shirt proudly and you will spread our story to your friends. We won't make it without the great supporters like you. Have a nice summer, Jolla. So that's a really nice message. So here we've got the t-shirt with a little logo sticker. Maybe you can attach it on your phone then. Alright, so the t-shirt is wrapped in plastic, so we're gonna open that now. Let's see how it looks like. So we've got an M size black t-shirt with the text, I am the first one. That is great. And the t-shirt seems to be good quality. Nice soft fabric. Let's see. On the back side we've got a white yellow logo on the black t-shirt. So here it is, our little present. And here we see the t-shirt on the model. So as you can see, it's a perfect fit. The length is good, the text looks great, and the shoulders fit well as well. And on the back side we can see the logo very well, stands out from the black, and from the back we can see that it fits perfectly as well. So here is the t-shirt, where we will wait for the phone and you will hear from us soon.